Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You have the essentials ready. Updated Xbox One, capture card, HDMI and USB 3.0. First, connect Xbox HDMI OUT to capture card HDMI in, then capture card HDMI OUT to your TV. Once done, plug the capture card into your PC via USB 3.0 and open the provided app. Make sure the app detects the card and set input to 1080p 60 if supported. You're initiating the signal path now, so the raw feed reaches your recording software and TV simultaneously. Next, configure capture parameters in your recording software. Choose the capture card as both video and audio source, then set resolution and frame rate, 1080p 60 for fluid gameplay or 720p 30 to reduce load. Use hardware encoding, NVENC/AMD, when possible to lower CPU usage. Set bitrate around 812 Mbps for 1080p. Align audio. Use the app's delay or OBS offset to fix lip sync. Once adjusted, run a short recording to confirm smooth frames, correct audio, and acceptable disk usage before streaming or saving. Finalize by testing a full session. Record 5-10 minutes and watch for dropped frames, stutter, or audio lag. If frames are dropped, try a different USB 3.0 port, a shorter HDMI cable, or lower capture settings. Make sure capture card and GPU drivers and firmware are current. If audio is doubled or out of sync, disable Xbox Party Chat Pass-Through and adjust audio offsets in your software. One key troubleshooting tip. If no signal appears, power cycle the Xbox and capture card, then recheck HDMI routing. This resolves most handshake issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.